Here we are, Pink Street in Dominican Republic. Really, really fun place. Get here early. It does get busy, so if you head straight over here, it's not bad at all. We came straight from the port when the boat docked. Here we are. We're gonna walk through it and check it out. These statues look so real. It's so weird. Oh, that's a cool picture. Nice. That is actually really cool. They didn't get the memo. Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, dude.
You already have 700 likes.
Oh my gosh. Money he ever had in his life.
Logan made a new friend.
He's asking for TREAT. You guys are gonna let me drink coffee?
What do you think so far?
I was
Not real touristy. I mean, it's kind of.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said to you.
Yeah.
Relishing the Pink Street. Very pink.
Wait, should I get a picture of you?
I gave Logan 3 guesses of why it's called Pink Street.
What'd he say?
Well, he struggled, but he finally got it on the 3rd one. Oh my gosh! I mean, sometimes.
Oh my gosh, that's the toughest picture I've ever taken in my entire life. Oh my goodness.
How do you like it?